Finally, it's Sunday. I've been working hard this week. I will finally rest all day. I'm going to wear pajamas the whole day. I'm going to watch movies. Oh, drink something. And relax. Just relax all day. I don't want to do anything today. In fact, I'm going to sleep in the garden. Oh, this is relaxing. Happily, I bought this hammock and put it in my backyard. Damn, who could it be? I don't care. If I don't say anything, they'll think there's nobody at home, and they will finally leave. Oh, come on. Can't I just relax in my own home? I don't want to open the door. Fine, I will have to open. Who is it? There's nobody at home. Damn. Okay, wait a second. I'm going now. God. Good morning. Who are you? It's Sunday morning. How can I help you? No, I think the right question is how I can help you, sir. I'm going to give you the final solution. Final solution? I don't understand. Who are you and what do you want here? Oh, I'm glad you asked. My name is Robinson Peterson. That's right, Robertson Peterson. I'm sure you have heard my name before. And probably you're thinking right now, am I so lucky that Robinson came here to my home? Wow, this is amazing. And don't worry, I will help you as much as I can. Probably this is one of the best opportunities. Listen, I don't know who you are. I don't know any Robinson. What do you want from me? As I told you, sir, I want to help you. I'm sure you have problems with your pets. I don't have any pets at home, so I don't have any problems with that. Listen, I just want to... Hey, do you have problems with your kitchen? I have the latest product you could ever... Oh, then you're a seller. Listen, I am not interested right now. I have things to do, thank you. But you haven't even heard what kind of product I sell. This is the latest technology in the world. Yeah, I'm not interested. Thank you anyway. Good luck with that and have a good day. What an annoying man. Who sells products on Sunday morning? That's crazy. Alright, now, relax. I'm just gonna sleep and... Oh, what now? Come on, seriously? I'm going. Yeah? Good morning. Oh, Mrs. Jackson. How can I help you? Is everything okay? Good morning, Ben. Everything's fine. I just wanted to ask you for a favor. Sure. Just tell me how I can help you and I will do what I can. You are a good boy. I have my son. You know him, Richard. He's 10 years old now. Of course, I know your son. I've seen him playing near my front yard sometimes. Well, I would like you to talk to him about values. He has been misbehaving these days. Wait, about values? I don't really understand what you're saying. I know it sounds weird, but I would like you to advise him. You seem to be a good boy, Ben. I don't want to be rude, but you are his parents. Aren't you supposed to teach him those things? Sure, we do it at home, but it will be great he can listen to you. You are also young, that's why. Yeah, okay, although I'd love to do it, I'm kind of busy now. I'm really sorry. I see. I thought you could do it because today is Sunday and you don't work. Yeah, it happens to be that I have a lot of things to do, but maybe any other day. Thank you. Finally, I can rest now. Just relax. It can't be possible. Why, God, why? Can't I just rest a little? I mean, it's Sunday morning. Okay, I'm going. Wait a second. Good morning, brother. I hope you're having a good day. Do you have a minute to talk about God? What? No, I'm really sorry. Look, I do go to the church once a month, but today I can't. Oh, don't worry. God is everywhere, so you don't need to go to the church to talk to Him. Yeah, I know that. Look, I love the work you do, and believe me, I respect you all people. But I can't do this right now. I'm kind of busy and I have a lot of things to do, you know. I understand. Don't worry, brother. If you want to talk about God, just call us. Sure, I'll do it. Thank you very much for your visit. I hope you have an excellent day. 1, 2, 3. And there it is again. This is definitely not my day. It seems I couldn't rest today. I'm going. Good afternoon, Mr. Cameron. I'm sorry to bother you, but my ball is in your backyard. Hello, Chris. Good afternoon. What time is it? Isn't it morning? No, sir. It is already afternoon. Can you please pass me the ball that is in your backyard? There isn't any balls in my backyard. I was there and nothing fell on the ground. Chris? Oh, what happened was that we were playing soccer in front of your home and I kicked the ball. Yeah, look, your ball is not in my backyard. Why don't you ask the other neighbors? Yeah, well, I think I will have to do that. Thank you anyway, Mr. Cameron. I'm gonna stay here. I'm sure they will knock the door again or ring that bell. I'm sure. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. I'm going. Hello, Ben. My wife told me she came here to ask for your help. I'm sorry to bother you. Hello, Mr. Jackson. Yeah, she came here some hours ago, but I can't help you now. Sorry. I know. I just came here to tell you it is not true. My son is not that terrible. My wife exaggerates. Okay. Sure, Mr. Jackson. Don't worry. I believe you. You know how she is. She always exaggerates about everything. That's why she came here. Of course, Mr. Jackson. Don't worry. I believe you. Have a nice day. Do not tell her I came to talk to you, please. Let's keep it a secret. Would you do that for me? Sure, whatever. I'm not gonna tell her. Have a great day, Mr. Jackson. I can't stand it anymore. The next person who rings that bell, I'm gonna kick his ass. I don't care who it is. Oh, there it is. Leave! I'm telling you, leave now. There's nobody here. Leave now, idiot. Are you stupid or what? Leave now, bastard. I don't care who you are. You are stupid. Damn. I will have to open the door. I'm sick of this. Damn. What the hell do you want from me, idiot? Are you... Oh, officer. I'm sorry. Good afternoon. We have received a call saying you had stolen a ball from a kid. What? That's not true. It is not in my backyard. Please, Officer, I'm sorry, but you will have to go with me to the police station, also for insulting a police officer. This is definitely the worst Sunday ever. God. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us.